Hello engineers, you are welcome to another episode of Staad Pro. In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can create a user table. Alright, the purpose of creating a user table is basically when you have a section you want to use for your design, but the section is not present in the section database of Staad Pro. Alright, so all you just need to do is you have to create your own section. If it is I section, channel, wide flange, it doesn't matter. Any kind of section you want to do, you can define your own. Okay, so let's say for example I go to general, and then under the property, I've done the section database. I have a universal beam of 23 by 112 by 23. That's what I want to use for my beam. Then this is what I want to use for my column, and then this is what I use for my unequal angle bar. Then for the channel, this is not the dimension I want to use, but this is the dimension I am forced to use. Okay, so if I don't want to use this, all you just need to do is let me kind of delete this. Yeah, now all of these buttons, I mean all these ones, they don't have is property yet. They don't have property yet. You can, for example, check the 3D rendered view. You will see that they are the only one that does not have a thickness. So that tells you that they don't have a property yet. All right, so what I'm going to do for them is I'm going to use a user table. Okay, so let me close this rendered view. Then you can go to tools, and then you go to create, where is it? Yeah, create user table. So I want to create a channel for them. Create user table, and then you can click on new table. All right, then under the section type, I'm going to pick channel. You can see this is channel. You can see you have wide flange, you have channel, you have angle, you have double angle, you have T, you have pipe, you have tube, you have general, you have the I section, you have the prismatic. So let me pick the channel, then click on OK. Then I can now add the property now. So click on add new property. Now on the depth, which is this, I want the depth to be 100 mm. So that should be 0.1 meter. This is in meter. This MET you are seeing, that is meter. Okay, then from this portion up to this portion, that's what we call WF. I would like that to be 75. Okay, so make your WF to be 0.075. all right, then TW, which is this portion, I want that to be 20 mm. So that should be 0.02, that is 2 centimeter. Then TF, okay, TF is the thickness of this. I want that to be 0.25. okay, so you have just that. Then you can give it a name. Okay, let me just call it channel. All right, then you need to fill the area of area X, your inertia and everything. All you just need to do is click on calculate. It will automatically calculate that for you. Then you can click on OK. All right, then you can just save the table. Click on save table, and then you can close that. Now when you now want to assign, you can come to general, and then you go to property. Now you can see it is not part of the property we have. All you just need to do is click on user table here. Click on user table. Then you see this is what I did now, which is the channel. You can see this is the name I gave to its channel. If you don't want the material to be steel, you can change the material, but it is definitely steel, so you pick steel. Then you click on add. All right, then you can close that. Now you can see that it has now come to this portion. All you just need to do is assign it to the element you want to assign it to. So let's do that. Let me put this inside view. Then I'll just select all of this, and also hold your control, select all of this, and then let me put it in isometric view. You can see this and this have been selected. Then I can now assign that to selected beam. Click on assign. All right, so that is perfect. Now let's see it in 3D rendered view. Now you can see exactly what we have. Let me try to zoom this a bit. All right, and then I can pan. Yeah, so this is the dimension we have. Okay, so this is the dimension I used. So this is basically how you define your own section, be it I section, T section, pipe, tube, anything. You can create your own, and then you go ahead with the design and then the connection design. So if you enjoyed the video, kindly give the video a like, and if there is any question, you can put it in the comment section. I will reply to it as soon as possible. If you are a new viewer and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can turn on the notification button so that you can get my notifications whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.